A severe thunderstorm was located in Lebanon, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with descending size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Mount Juliet, Lebanon City, Rural Hill, Tucker's Crossroads, and Lakeville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers of 227 and 245. Interstate 840 between mile markers of 68 and 76. For your protection, move to interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Antioch, or 9 miles south of Nashville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Nolensville, Walter Hill, Antioch, Rural Hill, and Cedars of Lebanon State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 between mile markers 55 and 76. Interstate 840 between mile markers 48 and 67. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. In Middle Tennessee, southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Kendall County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, extending from 6 miles north Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Walter Hill to near Thompson Station, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Smyrna, La Vernie, Nolensville, Walter Hill, Eagleville, Auburntown, Las Gases, Christiana, Triune, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Rockville, and Milton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 59 and 65. Interstate 24 between mile markers 64 and 86. Interstate 840 between mile markers 30 and 68. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Thunderstorm warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bellevue, or 8 miles west of Nashville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nashville, Brentwood, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Bellevue, Antioch, Berry Hill, and Bell Bend. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 193 and 219. Interstate 65 between mile markers 69 and 86. Interstate 24 between mile markers 47 and 60. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, western Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, western Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gordonsville, or 9 miles south of Carthage, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Smithville, Baxter, Downtown, Liberty, Center Hill, and Edgar Evans State Park. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 261 and 284.
Right in Rutherford County.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across Wilson County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, east central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Watertown to 6 miles northwest of Woodbury to Murfreesboro, serving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, east central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Watertown to 6 miles northwest of severe thunderstorm watch number 579 remains in effect. Miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, McMinnville, Woodbury, Auburntown, Centertown, Bradyville, Milton, and Manatee. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 80 and 84. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
There we go.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash alert warning for Warren County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, west central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the whole area. Nashville has issued a warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Southern County in Middle Tennessee, west central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Niceville, Madison, Hannahville, Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Meadowhead, Lakewood, Hermitage, Greenfield, Antioch, Old Hickory, Berry Hill, and Percy Priest Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying floods. Service in Nashville.
This is out my window right now.
Hazard 60 miles per hour with gust 10 nickel-sized
Oh, well, it's gone. Never mind then.
Impact. Expect damage
Scud cloud.
siding and trees.
Looked like a funnel cloud for a few minutes.
Include McMinnville, Smithville, Centertown, and Rock Island State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Springville, or 15 miles north of Lewisburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gust 10 nickel-sized hail. County in Middle Tennessee, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Expect damage 22 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Springville, or 15 miles north of Lewisburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring.
Sorry for the back camera. I'm trying to get it onto a tripod.
Do not drive your vehicle through siding road and trees. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Chapel Hill, Rover, Eden, Unionville, and Fosterville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler indicated thunderstorms County in Middle Tennessee until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Summertown, or 13 miles north of Lawrenceburg, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Summertown, Eastridge, Lineville, and Culleoka. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the border area. After two inches of rain have already fallen, fast flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Franklin, Smith, Redwood, Loveland, Rollinsville, Forest Hills, Oak Cliff, Bellevue, Reapers Fork, Marquez Heights, and Highway 96 and Salem. Turn around. Don't drown while encountering flooded roads. Most flood rash occurs in vehicles. Excessive runoff and heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and overpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.
Natchez Trace at Highway 96 and Trillin. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying
The National Weather
spots.
Service in Nashville has issued